Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Peter Phelps of Phelps 3D, and today what I'm going to do is try out this virus killing, safety and healthy UV light. I bought this at the Dollar Tree actually, just a little while ago, and I was wondering, I wonder if this will harden 3D printing resin. If so, then this is a really cheap way to do it. It requires 4 AAA batteries according to the box, and while I haven't fully read the entire box to see if it says what wavelength this is, I'm hoping it will harden the 3D printing resin. So I'm going to pour a little in this cup, use the toothpick, add the batteries, and be right back. For those of you who might want to see what it looks like when it comes directly out of the package, it basically is just a little foldy thing and some plastic. There's a label on it. It says, for best results, hover over objects from 1 to 2 inches away for 10 to 20 seconds. You will hear a beep every 10 seconds to let you know the surface has been sanitized. Now the 3D printing resin I'm using has a bad setup. That's why I've been using it. And sorry, my thumb got cut earlier this morning while I was cleaning a print. Do not look directly into the light. Do not expose skin to light or use on body. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use on pets. Now that all the safety warnings are there, I'll be back. Okay, so it's basically like this. Fold it out, and there is a button on the back to turn it on. Not sure you can see it. Hopefully you can. There was the first 10 seconds. I'm going to let this go like 5 just in case. I think my toothpick fell in. Second beep. Third beep. Fourth beep. Like I said, I'll go one more. Turn back off. And let's see if I got... Nope. It should have hardened the top. It didn't, so that's definitely not in the right wavelength, probably. Alright, it was worth a try. Thank you. So I've let this sit here over it like this for about 2 minutes now. And we're going to see if it's made any difference, if it's just needed more exposure. And no, still nothing. It's still just wet. Alright, so yeah, I conclude that this health and safety $1 Dollar Tree item does not harden the 3D printing resin. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.